Hey, Anukool here from The Marketing School, where we turn digital dreams into profitable realities using AI. If you're ready to break into the AI game and start making money, this is the video you can't afford to miss. Today, I'm revealing 5 proven ways you can kickstart your AI business and transform your life without needing $1 million to get started. Whether you're a total newbie or you've been hustling online for years, these methods are about to take your marketing game to the next level. Stick around for some insider secrets and my step-by-step blueprint that's helped me, and tons of others, go from 0 to 6 figures. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be itching to get started. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First things first, if you're thinking you need a fancy AI product or some huge tech startup to get started, think again. No need to raise millions from venture capitalists just to play in this space. Here's the secret. You don't need a fancy AI SaaS or a tech genius in your back pocket. What you need is an AI agency. Starting an AI business doesn't mean you need $1 million idea or a team of MIT grads. You can literally start an agency and offer AI solutions to businesses right now. I mean, think about it. Businesses everywhere are scrambling to integrate AI into their operations, and they need someone who can make it happen. Watch out, it's not just about selling the tech. You're selling a solution to a problem. And that problem is AI is complicated. Many businesses want it, but they don't know how to use it effectively. That's where you come in, offering tailored solutions. You don't have to be a coding wizard to get started. There are tools like no-code platforms that let you build amazing AI-driven solutions without writing a single line of code. And that's gold right there. Next up, let's talk about education. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Anukool, I'm not an expert yet. Here's the thing. No one starts as an expert. I didn't. When I first jumped into the AI world, I was just as clueless as the next guy. But here's the kicker. Document your journey. Teach while you learn. You'd be surprised how many businesses and individuals out there are desperate for education about AI. And you don't need to be the world's leading expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of them. Start small. Don't try to be the AI guru on day one. Focus on one specific niche, maybe AI tools for content creation, customer service bots, or automation in sales, and build your expertise there. Narrow is the new broad. I always tell people, teach what you're learning, and the money will follow. I started posting AI tips on LinkedIn, showing my journey, and that was enough to attract clients who wanted my help. When you show value, people pay. Now, here's where it gets juicy. Combine an agency with educational content. It's like doubling your impact. You're not just offering services. You're building authority as you go. And let's be real, everyone loves free advice, right? Whether you're posting a YouTube tutorial or writing a blog post, sharing your AI expertise attracts leads. I did this myself. I documented everything I was learning about AI and how it could solve business problems. And trust me, people noticed. Don't expect instant results. Building an audience and authority takes time. But it's not about hoping it works. It's about putting in the work, week after week, month after month. Think of it like planting a tree. You won't see the fruits right away, but after a few months, you'll be harvesting leads and building credibility. You'll have prospects reaching out to you before you even need to pitch. Here's the thing, AI is hot. Businesses are scrambling to figure it out. So if you've got the expertise, even if you're just starting, you're going to attract leads. The key? Consistent outreach. Whether it's through social media, LinkedIn, or email, you need to be putting yourself out there. Create content, share your expertise, and don't be shy about it. Don't just sit back and hope they'll come. Lead generation is a skill in itself. You need to be proactive. It's not about waiting for leads to fall in your lap. Take action to reach the right people. When I started, I was reaching out to business owners, offering free consultations. Sure, some said no, but others said yes. And that's all you need. A few yes, and you've got a business. And finally, let's talk credibility. Let's be honest, AI is still new to a lot of businesses. They're skeptical, but if you want to close clients, you need them to trust you. So how do you build trust? You need to show, not just tell. I started by posting case studies, sharing success stories, and constantly showcasing the results I was getting for clients. That's how you build authority. Proof is in the pudding. Don't fake it till you make it. You gotta have real results to show. Even if you're just starting out, consider doing some smaller, lower cost projects to get your foot in the door and build your credibility. Remember, it's all about building your reputation. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and share your wins, big or small. It all counts when you're building credibility. Now, before I wrap this up, here's a bonus insider tip for you. A lot of people think building an AI business has to be complicated. But the truth? You can start small, stay niche, and grow with time. Keep it simple at first. Get results, document your journey, and build credibility. You'll learn faster, and the clients will come knocking. So, what's your first AI business idea? Drop it in the comments below. I want to hear what you're planning. Maybe I can help you brainstorm or point out where to get started. Don't forget, if you're serious about learning how to make money with AI, hit that subscribe button and join me every week for more high-impact tips on AI marketing and online business strategies. To recap, AI businesses are about expertise, generating leads, and building credibility. And trust me, with the right steps, you can turn that knowledge into profit faster than you think. Remember, in the world of AI marketing, the smartest work wins. So keep learning, keep earning, and as always, keep hustling. Want a deeper dive? Head over to TheAIMarketingSchool.com to learn more and start building your AI-powered business today.